Okay, greetings, guys. It's your homeboy once again, Akudre Michael, and this evening I'll be talking about how to place a trade on your PU Prime as a beginner. How to place a trade on your PU Prime as a beginner. It means you don't even understand how to trade, but you are willing to start trading. I must commend you for taking the bold step. So without wasting much of your time, make sure you follow my channel for more educational information on trading. Like my videos, share to your friends, your colleagues, your family members, and your acquaintances for more visibility. So this video is for educational purposes. It is not a financial advice. So let's go to my MetaTrader 5 so I can show you. That's good. This is MetaTrader 5 and we have an asset here, BTC USD. How do you place an order? For example, I have a limit order. Let me delete it. Yes. So you have quotes, charts, trade, history, and messages all at the bottom. These are folders at the bottom of the screen. So you want to trade, you come to trade here, this platform here that is showing you trade. I click on it, right? Then you see this plus button here, the plus button at the top, new order. I click on it. Then what do I want to do? Do I want to execute the trade on the current market price instantly? Once I touch this button now, buy, the market sell, buys. If I touch the sell button, the market sells. If I touch the buy button, the market buys. So which of them, what do I want to do? So remember that this is instant execution, and you have under it lot sizes: 0.5 minus 0.1, 0.01, 0.05, plus 0.01, plus 0.1, and plus. This helps you to increase the value according to how you want it, whether by one lot size or by a micro lot size or mini lot size. Okay, then this arrow button you are seeing here under market execution, here at the corner, you tap on it, you will see all the available options: buy limits, sell limits, buy stop, sell stop, whatever. All these things are options for you to trade. So for example, you want to use sell limit order, or want to use a sell stop. Sell stop means that the market is already selling. Okay, the market is selling, but it has not sold to the level you want to enter. So you put your sell stop there so that as the market is selling, once it gets to the price where you want it to be executed, it automatically picks your sells and continues selling down. That is the meaning of sell stop. Buy stop is the opposite of sell stop. You place the trade or your order above the current market price when the market is buying or when the market is bullish. As the price continues to move upwards, it gets to your entry point and activates it and continues buying. For sell limit happens when the order is above the current market price. That is to say, you want to sell an asset, for example BTC, you want to sell it at $80,000. but the price is at $75,000. You are able to place your limit order, sell limit order, because the price is still below the value you want to sell it. But if you want to sell it at a limit order, but the price is at 80,000 and you want to sell it using a sell limit order at 75,000, it's not going to work because the market price is already higher than the limit. So I hope my explanation helps you to understand the points I am trying to make. So the other options that are available here is the buy stop limit and sell stop limit. They basically mean the same thing as sell stop and buy stop. The only difference among all these things is the market execution, meaning that whether you are buying or selling, if you click on market execution, it instantly takes the trade at the current market price. So we're going to choose that. Now we're going to click on sell. You see, the order has been executed. Sell is active. So another thing we need to learn is when you tap on the sell here, it gives you an option for to either close the trade or to modify your position. If you want to modify your position, you click on modify position and then you click on where do you want to place your stop loss. You click on your stop loss. It gives you an opportunity to adjust. For example, you want to place it on the week, the last high before the market got to before it started selling. Place it exactly on the week. And what is the value of your risk? $6.66 US. Then you can place your TP by tapping on it. You can bring your hand down a little bit. I said, okay, I'm going to risk $6 to get what? $15. I'm risking $6 to get $15. You can place it like this. And for it to be confirmed, you have to click on this blue arrow here at the end of the pane or panel. And then you click on modify. That's how to place your stop loss or your take profit. Then, for example, you might see a limit order. Let's go to the charts. You might see a limit order. Okay, let me go to my signal group. I have a signal group, and then for my signal group. Now this is an example. You have a buy limit here at this level, 91250 for a buy and 91450 for a buy, and your stop loss is 9650. You have this at the back of your mind. Cram the numbers and your take profits at 94,600 and 93,745. So you take it one after the other. Buy limit is at 91,450. Go to your MT5. You tap on, you see these buttons at the top here. These two buttons here helps you to set your limit orders. You click on it, the second button by your right, coming to your left, from your right to your left, you tap on the second button. Okay, this is a sell. You place it here. What is the value? 73915 points. Whatever you are seeing, the signal is, that one was on a jump, but we are not treating a volatility indices or synthetic indices here. This is BTC. Okay, so you take the correct value, place it. If it's not correct, you can use this arrow line to take you to the modification panel where you actually put the correct price. Put your correct price here. You can clean up everything, type everything you're seeing. That is the price. You want to add your stop level, check the number or the amount. You come here, adjust, then check the take profits, adjust, then check your what you're risking and what you're about to gain. You're risking $51 to get $341. So is the risk worth it? Yes. If it's not okay by you, do not take the trade, or you reduce your lot size. Lot sizes can be reduced, okay, when you reduce it here. Okay, this is the lowest. You now say okay. You adjust all these things and then finally you click on place your sell limit. So this is basically how to trade. Okay, it's as simple as that. If you don't want your sell and buy buttons to be showing, you can use the first blue and red button that is upper right to hide it. By clicking on it once, you see the panels are missing. You will not see them again. If I want them to appear, I tap on it again once. You see that it has appeared. If you are looking for any assets, you go to quotes to help you navigate and look for any of the assets that you want to trade, and then click on it to open. Once you click on it, it opens for you to make your choice. I want to increase my time frame so I see what's going on. Wow, market has actually gone far. It's even coming close to take my entry. I think I'll have to close it once market opens. So that's basically it. And the other thing I think I have not mentioned is what else? Let me see BTC. Let's open the charts. What else have I not mentioned? Okay, you want to close the trade at instant market price, you can come here and click on close position, then click with a loss. That's how to close your trade. When you have multiple trade positions, for example, you want to open multiple positions, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. See, I've opened 10 positions and I want to close the 10 positions, right? So because of spread, the trade is still on a loss because of the spread. It is going to be profitable and I am already waiting for them. So I want to close. I can use bulk operations by tapping on one of them and holding, long pressing, and now click on bulk operations. See, close all positions. If I want to close both profitable and losing positions, I use this button. If I want to close losing positions only, I click on this button. But if I want to be specific, I want to close sell positions, or you want to close BTC USD positions, then ensure that you know what exactly you want to do and then you click on it. Let's say close losing positions. Instantly everything is closed. So it's basically how to navigate and do this. Thank you very much for your time. This video is already too long. Have a nice day. Bye.